In this video, we'll show you how easy and efficient it is to install a Rointe towel rail. For the installation, you'll need a drill, a rubber mallet and a pencil. First, remove the cardboard packaging. Inside, you'll find an installation kit that includes supports, screws and fixing plugs, a template and user manual. To start the installation process, remove the protective plastic from the back of the product. Then, use the Allen key supplied to extract the internal cylinder screws. Screw the internal cylinders into the rear holes of the towel rail. Place the template on the desired wall and mark the holes of the correct model with a pencil. These are where the supports will go. Then drill the holes where the points above were marked. Insert the fixing plugs into the holes and tap with a rubber mallet to secure. Next, place the upper supports and fix them to the wall using the screws provided. The captive screws on the supports should be in a position that's easy for you to screw when the towel rail is on the wall. Place the towel rail into both parts of the supports. Remove the protective plastic and tighten the captive screws in the supports with the Allen key. Connect your towel rail to the electric supply and switch on. Use your user manual to help you set up your product. Your Rointe towel rail is now installed.